Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Times Day 2 sneaky peeks for her 142nd edition release. If you would like to use my code, it is MOE capitalized, and you can get 15% off your total purchase during the release weekend or 10% off every day. So today we have quite a few products that we are showcasing for my Creative Time, and I am just going to jump right in and kind of show you everything. So we have the strawberry tag dies, and it has 3 dies in it. So you have your back layer, the top layer, and then the part of the leaf. And then we also have the strawberry die plate, which you will get 6 strawberries in that, along with their tops and the background piece as well for that. Okay, next up we have the strawberry flower die plate, and these are all different kind of flowers that you can use. Really cute. So you can cut them all out at once. Just pop one piece of paper in, maybe color up the dies with your Copics if you'd like, or just use different color pieces of paper. Love this. This is the flower leaf die plate, and I love these leaves. They are so pretty to me, and I can't wait to show you what I created with these. Then up next we have the Flowerpot dies. You'll get 8 in this set. So you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 2 hearts cut into the paper. It will not cut out a die. These 2 hearts will cut out the center die and also leave the stitching around the outside. And then you'll have your layers to put on top of that. That's just like the layer that goes underneath the top part of that. Or you can use it however you want. You can also use it as like grass or greenery. I thought about doing that, but I didn't. And then the next set are the garden stake Stampin' Dies. So let me just turn that around. And then you'll have these 3 sets. There'll be 2 for each set. And then we have the heart, the circle or the oval one, and then the rectangle one. Really cute. And you'll see how I use those. And then also that comes with stamps. And hopefully you can see those. Let's zoom in a little bit, maybe. All right, so you can see all of those there. Very, very, very cute set. And then of course I used the paper that I showed you yesterday. All right, and that's called the Gorgeous Gardens. So these are the items I created. I'm going to show you all of the products that I use at the end of the video to accompany with the new release. All right, so here we go. Super, super cute. I made mine into a chocolate strawberry. I'll show you how I did that. Toward the end, I'll show you the products that I used anyways. And then use some green paper from my Creative Time and added those new flowers on there along with those little gems. And then I just had it to cut out the strawberry as a card base. Really like that. And then if you don't have the holiday envelope, a lot of her smaller dies will fit into the holiday envelope. And so you definitely need to pick that up if you don't have it. And this will definitely fit in the inside of there. You just have to kind of put it in there like that. And then I also made some more strawberries, chocolate covered, of course, along with one of those steak dies. And that says, "To my sweet friend." You got sweet strawberries and a sweet friend. And so I thought I would put that together. And then I also used the, and I'll show you in a second, the 3.75 by 4.75 card base die. And so I used that as well. But I love this. I thought I would put that in white. And I haven't bent it down yet. I just thought I would leave it flat for right now, but it's so cute, and I thought that paired together very well. All right, and then last but not least, I used that flower pot die. I also used mini bow die and her daisy dies, along with the flowers that she just released, the strawberry flowers. And I added all of those together to make a little array of flowers there. I did use that little stake piece, and then those leaves back there look so pretty, and that set does give you a couple smaller leaves as well. Now I thought, what could I do different? So I made it a pull-out. Sweet Wishes is your special day. So you could use that as like a birthday card or anything, but definitely really like it as a pull-out. And so I thought that was pretty cute. Really cute. And so that's what I did with that. And then I added a couple flowers in the inside as well. So those are my projects that I created for this release to showcase the dies and the stamps that she had for today. Okay, so here are the items I used to create those projects. So we got the chocolate from this set, which is script, hearts, and solids, and it goes with the Fun Valentines. And so I used the red and the chocolate from there. Oh, and I also use this like tan color too. From Springtime, this is where I got the greenery for the top of the strawberry. And this is that 3.75 by 4.75 die, and I used I used the smaller size for that the layer on top of the envelope. And then assorted mini bow dies. That's where I got I want to say this one from, not definite, but I think it was this one that I used. And then I used the daisy dies, and this is the smaller set that I used, not the large one. And so here is where I got the idea to use the drip for the strawberry, that chocolate drip. I used the icing hair for the chocolate drip on the strawberries. So yeah, so there it goes right there. I used that icing, that for the icing. I thought it was perfect. And then I used the smallest icing there for the drip on the smaller strawberries. So make sure you get some good use out of all those dies. And then I also had the holiday envelope there. All right, so those are my projects for today, and hopefully you got a lot of inspiration. Remember, you can use my code MOE capitalized to use for your discount on Friday, and you'll get 15% off your total purchase. Any other day is 10% off, or you can use any of the design team's codes. It's up to you. All right, so that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. Check out the pictures at the end, and you all have a blessed and crafty day.